The F-22 Raptor has been a cornerstone of American air superiority since its introduction in 2005, blending stealth speed and agility to dominate the skies. However, with only 187 operational units produced before production ceased in 2011, maintaining the fleet has become increasingly expensive and challenging. Rising maintenance costs, limited upgrades, and a growing need for newer technology have made the Raptor's retirement inevitable. One key factor driving this transition is the emergence of advanced threats, such as China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57, alongside sophisticated air defense systems. While still formidable, the F-22's 1990s-era technology is no longer sufficient to counter these rapidly evolving challenges. The U.S. Air Force is shifting its focus to the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, which promises a sixth-generation fighter designed to outmatch any adversary. The upcoming NGAD fighter is expected to surpass the F-22 with cutting-edge stealth, artificial intelligence, AI, assisted decision-making, and integration with unmanned systems. Its family of systems concept envisions manned fighters working alongside drones, such as loyal wingmen, to enhance combat effectiveness. Improved range, speed, and survivability will also ensure dominance in contested environments. Despite the promise of sixth-generation technology, the F-22 will remain in service during the transition period, continuing to provide vital capabilities while the NGAD program matures. Balancing the cost of sustaining the aging Raptor fleet and accelerating NGAD development will be a significant challenge for the U.S. Air Force in the coming years. The F-22's retirement marks the end of an era, but it also heralds the dawn of a new chapter in aerial warfare. The NGAD fighter will redefine air combat with innovations that ensure the United States retains air superiority in an increasingly competitive and technologically advanced global landscape.